Hey everybody, Michael here with Johnny Appleseed Organic, and today we are going to be making a turmeric salve with the Hawaiian red turmeric that we grew here on the farm. First, we're going to start by washing this up. A month ago, we made a video called 3 Ways to Use Fresh Turmeric. Check out that video in the link below if you would like to know more about how we dehydrated our turmeric and stored it for future use. For this recipe, we used a tablespoon and a half of ground turmeric, half a cup of melted shea butter, 4 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. First, melt your shea butter in a pot full of water. Bring the pot of water to a low-medium heat and consistently stir your shea butter until it slowly melts. Once it's melted, pour your melted shea butter into a bowl and add 4 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. Then you're going to add a tablespoon and a half of ground turmeric. Mix it all together really well, and then pour that into your storage containers and move those storage containers into the refrigerator to cool and harden. If you remember from our last video when we talked about turmeric, you know that turmeric has a compound in it called curcumin that is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. And when you use this on your skin, it really helps to soothe a wide range of skin issues, like minor cuts, eczema, psoriasis, even acne. Just beware because it will cause some dyeing, some yellow dyeing of the skin, but it is very powerful. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make a turmeric salve. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you.